Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, Sweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. I'm happy to welcome you all, beautiful souls, to another episode of Panch Portal to guide you with the Mokshpata reading for the week of 13th to 19th May 2024. Hi, I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader, bringing you the cosmic guidance related to health. We have all heard that health is wealth, and for a moment consider a sick person confined to bed and having $1 million in his bank account, but he will not be able to enjoy it due to poor health. This week's reading for health comes with a conscious approach of gratitude. Be thankful for all that is okay in your body, but it does not mean you can neglect the proper nutrition, exercise, sleep patterns, and going for regular checkups. If there is a need, be mindful and compliant with dietary restrictions and lifestyle changes that might be necessary. Procrastination and laziness and not getting proper consultation when needed is not the way to attain good health. Mokshpata guides us towards natural ways to detoxify ourselves by Ayurvedic treatments, pranayam, aromatherapy, fasting with food, as well as toxic thoughts and emotions. Cultivate positivity and see how the energy in your body resonates with it, bringing you to a state of happiness. When you are in this state, the chemical composition in your body and the psychic energy are in balance. Then there's a feeling of gratitude. To sum it up, be mindful of eating nutritious food, doing some form of exercise, be in a state of gratitude, and not miss going for regular checkups whenever needed. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste. This is Alpa on Punch Portal weekly reading for the period of 13th May to 19th May 2024. This week I will do reading on relations. This week sounds very positive for the relationship. This is an ideal period for creativity, exploring new relationships, and strengthening existing ones. Enjoy the company of others at the fullest. Remain flexible and embrace your innovative ideas. It's a prime time to heal your relationship with yourself, fostering self-awareness and inner peace. This period is also wonderful for couples to discover new activities together, enhance communication, deepen their understanding for each other, and foster a healthy, loving relationship. Additionally, it is a favorable time to consider expanding your family. In short, this is the most favorable time for relationship. Thank you. Stay tuned till next week. Namaste.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. Before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मैं मीनू लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए गाइडेंस में सेकेंड वीक विच इज 13th to 19th में फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू मोक्षपट बोर्ड। अध्यात्म के लिए ये सप्ताह बहुत ही अच्छा है। आपको बस कुछ पल प्रकृति के साथ बिताने हैं जैसे कि वॉकिंग, गार्डनिंग एक्सेट्रा। सिर्फ इतना ही करने से आप अपने मन मस्तिष्क में अपार शांति का अनुभव करेंगे एंड अपने आप को उस डिवाइन क्रिएटर से कनेक्टेड फील करेंगे। आप अनुभव करेंगे कि आपने अपने अंदर के तमस, अपनी डार्कनेस पर काफी हद तक कंट्रोल पा लिया है। You will find a way to connect with your true self, your true version, your true reality. This is the right time कि थोड़ा सा समय निकालकर मेडिटेशन किया जाए, जिससे आपका विजन और भी क्लियर होगा और आपके दिल दिमाग में जो भी सवाल उठ रहे हैं उनका सही जवाब किसी न किसी रूप में आपको मिलेगा। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस, नए एस्पेक्ट के साथ। Till then, stay tuned, stay blessed and stay connected. Bye.
Namaste. Today I'm going to do a reading for business from the Divine Energy of the Mokshpat Board with focus on small businesses for the week 13th to 19th May 2024. The first guidance from the Mokshpat Board is that you need to let go of your own beliefs. It's time to better understand your employees. Do they need some special training to enhance their skills? Do they need a better working environment to enhance their productivity or maybe some better incentives? Try to understand their point of view, their perspective, their opinion. In trying to do so, it will help you build a better relationship with your employees, gain their loyalty, as well as, in the long run, grow your business and increase your profitability. Coming to businesses dealing in consumables, if you are facing certain challenges or your business is not growing as it should, you should probably look at whether you are actually reaching your target clients. Do you really know who your target clients are and what exactly is it that they are looking for? You could probably hire some professionals and change your marketing strategies. This will definitely help you increase your business as well as your profitability. Another tip from the Mokshpat Board is to burn some aroma essential oils or fragrant candles in your workspace to clear the energies at work. Do try it, they definitely work. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more next week. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia.
Namaste. Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to week 2 of Punch Portal. Today, we are going to predict from May 13th to May 19th. My name is Karishma and I'm going to speak on the aspect of finance. The Mokshapata Board tells us that this week, the key word for finance is circulation and movement. Money is energy and the energy needs to flow. There is some kind of accumulation or stagnancy in your finances. Dead stock or some dead investment that needs a little bit of movement. The guidance that we are getting from the Mokshapata Board is that you need to connect to a proper person who can guide you to invest your money. Right guidance will help you grow your finances. If you are into selling business, there is some dead stock. Sell it at no profit, no loss. This will create the needed circulation for you. If you're into stock market, buy and sell. This will create a little bit of movement for you out there. You also need to think out of the box. Try digital marketing. Try a new perspective which will help you grow your finances. And the key word for this week is that you need to remove your dead stock, reinvest, and see that what can bring abundance in your life. Thank you.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.